How to make LinkedIn load faster on mobile. So the first thing that you can do is disable the video autoplay. For that, open your LinkedIn, and then from here tap on your profile, tap on settings. Then after doing that, here you're going to find account preferences, tap on that one, and then from here what you should do is scroll down until you see the option of autoplay in here. If you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of autoplay videos. Tap on that one, and in here select never autoplay videos. So after doing that, the last thing that you want to do is clear all of the cache of LinkedIn. For that, get into your settings of your phone. Then from here scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and after doing that, scroll down, keep scrolling until you find LinkedIn. Tap on show all, and in here you can see LinkedIn right here. Tap on it, tap on offload app, tap on offload app one more time, and within few seconds your application will be offloaded. In order to reinstall it back, tap on reinstall app, and within few minutes LinkedIn will be reinstalled back in your phone, and like that you'll be able to clear all of the cache on your LinkedIn, so that it will help you run much smoother on your mobile. And that's it.